I recently was doing some online shopping when I came across the worst first world problem you can have. I could either spend $7 on shipping or find something for about $5 on their site to qualify for free shipping. And since I'm all about them good deals, I decided what the heck, I might as well find something for like $5. Which, you know, I fell right into their trap. That's what they want you to do. And that's when I came across the MOB Griptape cleaner. Now, MOB Griptape advertises this cleaner as almost like an eraser for dirt, where you simply just have to brush this little eraser over some dirt and your grip tape's gonna look sparkling clean. However, I've seen a lot of mixed reviews about this product on different websites. And I thought, my board gets dirty because to get to the tennis courts I skate in a lot, you gotta walk through like 6 patches of mud, which should be illegal realistically. So I thought, why not? I'll spend the extra $2. I'm essentially just paying for shipping now, but at least I'm getting something else, and this is something I've wanted to try for a while. Plus, I'm currently using MOB Griptape on my current setup, so if their grip tape cleaner should work for any grip tape, it better be their own. So does the MOB Griptape cleaner actually work? And more importantly, was it worth the $2 extra I spent to get free shipping? My first initial reaction to the MOB Griptape cleaner was that it kind of had the same texture and look of like one of those erasers you use in school, like the big pink ones. It kind of smells like an old tire. Not that I know the difference between like a new tire and an old tire, but that's kind of the smell it's giving off. Just like almost every other skate product, it also came with this fun little sticker. And on the back of the sticker, it says, "Erase the dirt off your grip." Again, we're testing that. That's pretty much all it came with, and it was literally just wrapped up in some plastic, so not much of an unboxing if you're looking for that. Right away I noticed you had to put in a ton of elbow grease to get this baby to roll. I was working up a sweat pretty quickly. I mean, it was also like a hot day. It's summer, so it's not gonna be like cool, but like it's getting pretty sweaty out there. I also noticed right away that it leaves these like weird black streaks, which I'm assuming is just the grip tape cleaner like eraser stuff. And then you gotta kind of brush it off. I couldn't actually tell if that was what was grabbing the dirt from the board or if it was just like some weird leftover particles. Now, I would say that my board at the start didn't even have a ton of dirt. I would just say it had a moderate amount of dirt. But I did try rubbing the grip tape cleaner not only on some of the lighter spots on the board, but also on some of the darker spots where there was a little bit more dirt collected. So after scrubbing my board for about 20 minutes, I honestly still could not tell a difference. Even if I was trying to scrub off some lighter dirt or in the heavier spots, it was very hard to tell if I was even making a difference scrubbing this hard. I wasn't looking for like out of box, clean looking grip tape. I was just looking to kind of make it look a little nicer. And after all that time of scrubbing and putting elbow grease into it, I still could barely notice a difference. I even tried to get some of these weird black marks that are on parts of my board where there's no grip tape, and even scrubbing at that for about 5 minutes, it seemed to not even get that off. And I know it's not technically, that wooden part is not grip tape, but you would have thought you would have seen even a little difference. If anything, the grip tape cleaner was just making it worse. And even after only spending about 20 to 30 minutes roughly trying to use this grip tape cleaner, it was tearing up this little eraser. However, I will say this, and I didn't get any footage of this, I went skating the next day and I did notice out in the sunlight that it did look a little bit better, but for scrubbing for about 30 minutes, I thought it would have been a bigger difference. So the big question, is it worth it? Does it work? Technically, I think it does work. I think if you had just a little dirt on your board, I think this would work really well, because the spots where I did have small pieces of dirt looked clean, but the bigger pieces of dirt where there's a lot of dirt, mostly where my front foot is at, you couldn't really tell a difference. Cool, my computer crashed for absolutely no reason, and there was literally nothing open. So technically, I think yes, it does work if you have just a small amount of dirt on your grip tape, but if you're really trying to like get new looking grip tape, this is definitely not gonna be the answer. This might be great if maybe after a little skate session, you have just like a little bit of dirt on your board, you just go home and you just boop boop, and you know, it's clean and you're good to go. But I don't think if you're looking to kind of get that brand new grip tape look, this is definitely not gonna do it. Maybe if you use all of this, I don't know, I'm not gonna spend a bunch of time using all of this. That's crazy. So the big question is, was this worth my free shipping? And to answer your question, of course, man, if you can get free shipping, you do whatever you can to get free shipping, man. That's just common shopping sense. Unless you gotta spend like $5,000, then don't do that. Come on, be responsible with your money, man. So should you buy some MOB Griptape cleaner? Well, here's what I'll say about that. I would say if you're in a situation like me where you're just trying to get some free shipping, sure, it does work. It just takes a lot of effort just to notice a little difference. But if you're looking to get that brand new Griptape look, this is probably not the answer for you. Anyway, I'd be very interested to see if any of you have ever used this before and what your results were, or if you've used any other Griptape cleaner. There's a lot out there and this is the only one I've ever tried. So I'm curious if like you get similar results with any other type of Griptape cleaner. As always, if you could do me a big favor and hit that like button and subscribe, that'd be rad, man. That'd be so cool of you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, have fun, good luck, and keep shredding the gnar.